There'll be a blooper reel.
I hope not. When Dr. Hodnett first told us, the mentors, about the scholarship, we were super excited. We wanted to be able to give back to our freshman students and really show that we care. This is the College of ACES. We are a big family. We really try to instill that in our underclassmen especially.
So whenever the mentors visited with the students that we have in the class, we found out that the students were pretty excited about wanting to give. What money was raised would then be divided amongst the 3 sections of the class that we have. One student from each class would be selected to receive that scholarship.
I glitched, sorry. Okay, gosh. This is the first year we're doing this, so we're super excited and we really want this to be a great success. So please donate today to help students like myself.